All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, wherever you are in the world. My name's Peter Palamaki. I'm helping to facilitate this session, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you today Matthijs Meulen from Morphotonics, who's going to tell you about nanoimprinting for the masses via roll-to-plate technology. Jan, go ahead and take over, please.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. And it's a pleasure to give this presentation on this event. And in the coming presentation, I would like to tell how we believe that we can make nanoimprinting more affordable and accessible for a large public. But first, I would like to tell more about Morphotonics, our company. And Morphotonics is an equipment supplier. And we are located in Veldhoven or Eindhoven in the Netherlands. And we sell roll-to-plate nano-imprint equipment. And with these tools, we add functional textures on large substrates. And then our focus is on really large substrates beyond wafer scale. So you can think of glass plates of 1 square meter or Gen 5 size. And with our tools, we add functional or optical textures onto this glass. And we do this already for several years. We are still a young company, only 7 years old, but we already sold more than 10 tools to different customers worldwide, of which some of them are also used for production. So really making products which can be sold in the market. We do not only sell equipment, we do a lot of process development. It's a new technology and we develop the process together with our customers. And then you can think of resin development. So each application is different. Some applications use nanostructures or very high micron structures, and each have their own challenges. So you have to develop the resin, but you can also scale up the master, ensuring that a small master is multiple times replicated in one pass. Together with the customers, we set these processes, and then we also, from the upscale master, we make a stamp, and this is then also transferred. And we do this for a lot of different applications. Our focus is mainly in the display market. And then you can think of augmented reality. That is quite logical. We can also think of 3D displays, the lenticulars, where if you look, you can see a little bit of depth. We can add brightness enhancement layers for e-readers, or produce wire grid polarizers or anti-reflection surfaces. But we also work on non-display applications. The most logical one could be lighting, and then we could produce diffusers or create directional lighting. That if you look at a museum piece, a painting which is squared, then the light is also squared. But we work also on biosensors, LiDAR sensors, or we add anti-reflection structures to solar panels, enhancing the efficiency of the solar panels. So you could say that our roll-to-plate technology is agnostic. It serves a lot of different applications. So how does it work? Well, it all starts with a master. So the master has the functional texture which you would like to have replicated on the product. And that can be a nanostructure, it can be a really small texture, it can be 50 nanometers high, but it can also be really high structures like 500 microns high, or any structures in between. And from this master, we replicate a flex stamp. If you see the cursor, here's the flex stamp. The flex stamp is mounted in the equipment, and we make sure that the flex stamp has anti-stick properties. It will not adhere to the cured resin.